I'm Laura, Marketing Director for Sallie Tomato, and we are so excited to open up Day 4 of the 2024 Sallie Tomato Co Box. So I have here our Day 4, which says, check out the fun this day offers in your next project. So let's unwrap it. The fourth item is a brand new Sallie Tomato product, and we are so excited about this. We expanded our collection of clear vinyl this year that goes along with our brand new pattern of the year called Ruth, which you can also get this for free just by subscribing to our email. We are so excited to give this to you in this box and also give you 3 helpful tips on how to sew with this clear vinyl. Today's item is a 1/3 yard of apricot check vinyl, which is enough to make 2 mini Houdini bags, which was Day 3's box item. Other new vinyls we have include leopard, zebra, confetti, and black checkerboard, but we reserved this design to launch exclusively with the Sallie Tomato Co Box. And here's 3 quick tips to help you sew with this vinyl on your next project. Vinyls can easily be sewn with a 90-14 vinyl leather, denim, or nonstick needle, but a universal 80-12 works as well. We recommend stitching with a longer seam allowance to avoid any perforation, so at least a 3.0 millimeter. And finally, if your vinyl is sticking to your machine or presser foot, you can place washi tape or masking tape on your vinyl before you sew. We really hope that you enjoyed today's item, and I just want to give you a little sneak peek of what this all looks like. So our team in the warehouse does such a wonderful job at hand rolling all this fabric for you. So you get quite a bit of it, and also we've included a little tip sheet as well to help you. This year, we were so inspired by the color of the year, Apricot Crush, and we hope that this inspires you creatively as well too. And if you want to snag next year's Sallie Tomato Co Box, just be sure to click the link below in this video so that you can receive our newsletters so you'll get notified right away when we start promoting next year's box. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We love to see your style. Use hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Box on social media so we can see it. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any new videos, including tomorrow's video when we unbox Day 5. Thank you so much for watching.